Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Keisha and I was born in Norfolk. I am proud to come from Norfolk and this is my natural accent. Now personally, my accent isn't as strong as say my nan's would or like my great nan's would be. But I did ask her about 4 or 5 things that she says slightly different to I suppose the rest of us, really, considering her accent is actually really, really strong. She says rud instead of road. She say cloth instead of cloth. She'll say paper instead of paper. And she'll say cake instead of cake. But other than that, I can't really think of anything else. Although something I do say that I don't think anyone else says, I'll say, can I have a pint of lager? But I think everyone else says, can I have a pint? But I'll say like a pint. Like, can I have a pint of lager, please? I don't know. I just got... My accent isn't great, I suppose. But other than that, counting is basically the same. Like, if I could count to 20, it'd sound... I suppose like normal, I guess. I don't know. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'll pick out one of the sentences because I actually really liked it. I don't know why. But I've parked my car near the garage. If you're looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. But other than that, there is really no promo or anything. I've got a bit of a cold, really, that's all. But, yeah, like the younger kids around here, they don't really say things in such a strong accent as, like, I suppose the older generation would. Which I think that's probably the same for, like, every place, really. I think so, anyway.